Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another wig from SHEIN. Now this is another bob wig. It's just highlighted brown, super cute color. I love it. And this is a pre-cut lace wig. Now I will give you guys all the details concerning this wig. I do have like 2 cons about this wig that I'm not too much a fan of, but you guys know that I always give my honest opinion and honest review when it comes to pretty much anything and everything that I review for you guys, especially when it comes to wigs. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap. Then of course I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to receive a free gift along with your wig. So make sure you guys check the description box below, where I will leave all the details about this wig right here along with the code. Of course, I will pin it down below in the comments as well, and then towards the end of this video, I will have it right here on the screen for you guys. So if you are interested in hearing all about this wig that I received from SHEIN, then keep watching. Now, before I jump into the wig, you guys saw that SHEIN did send me a little gift. So this is the free gift that they sent me. These are, I believe, press-on nails. I don't wear press-on nails, so I'm not gonna wear these, but I do appreciate them for sending me a free gift with my wig. Now, let's go ahead and get into the construction of this wig. So this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and it has an elastic band. Now, once again, this is a pre-cut lace wig. They sent me the wig already cut, okay? So I did show you guys how the lace looked before I put the wig on. And then of course, once I put the wig on, you guys saw how the wig looked on me before it was straightened out and all of that stuff. Now let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. So once again, this wig is from SHEIN. This is their honey brown highlight 5x5 glueless pre-cut lace straight bob wig. Now the density is 180%. Once again, the lace is 5x5, and I believe that the length that I chose was 12 inches. So for this wig in 12 inches, it does retail for $58.52 at the moment. So the hair color is a highlight and piano or highlight honey brown. It is also SNatural /2/30. It says the human hair origin is Burmese hair. It can be perm, it can be dyed, and it can be bleached. Heat tolerance 220 degrees Celsius. Type is a bob lace wig, a glueless wig. It is straight hair. Lace color is transparent. Density is 180%. Once again, it is a human hair wig. Now I will make sure to provide the SKU number down below in the description box for you guys as well. So again, this is a pre-cut lace wig. As y'all can see, that's how the lace looks as a pre-cut lace. Now, I did mention to you guys about the 2 cons that I have, okay? So one of the cons is the ends of this wig is not getting flat like I need it to. It's not getting flat, it's not getting straight. The reason for that is because the wig was in the bag for a while. So through shipment and all that stuff, just how the wig was placed in the bag and all that stuff, the ends are turned up, as you can see. I was in the bathroom for the longest time trying to straighten out the ends the best way that I could. I really just can't get it the way that I need to get it, okay? And I just feel like when it comes to wigs, for the most part, I should not be taking an extreme amount of time trying to straighten out, you know, a wig. I just feel like that's unnecessary. I do not think that I should be doing that for the longest time. But I made sure the heat was on the proper setting, all that stuff. So the front part, I'm not too much having problems with. It was the rest of the hair. I mean, even after going over it a couple times with the flat iron, it's still, you see what I'm saying? It's still turned up. The other con is, you guys can still see it, but there is a bump area right here. I sprayed some Gots to Be spray on it, and then I took my hot comb and put the heat over it to try to flatten it down. It did it a little bit, but that hump is still there, and that kind of irritates me. So as far as not being able to get the ends straight like I need them to, and then that bump area, that makes me not like this wig. But aside from that, the hair color I absolutely love. Like I said, I believe the length that I got was 12 inches. It could be 10 inches, I don't remember. Make sure you guys check the description box below. I'll make sure to have the proper length. But either way, regardless if it's 10 or 12, the length is still pretty good. It is still shoulder length. Now the hair overall quality, super soft. Do like that, but just, you know, trying to get the ends the way that I want them to, and then trying to get that bumpy area out of the way. That just, I just hate when that happens. But aside from that, the wig is cute. The wig is definitely, I can't let those two minor issues take away from the fact that the wig is cute. The color is nice. I love it. I love this color. And of course I picked the color out, but I really do love this color. But yeah, that bump in the ends is just, I really wish I could get it. I just don't want to put, I really do not want to put so much time and so much extra effort in trying to get this to straighten out. I even tried to bump it under, you know, and I couldn't even really do that because the ends are still doing whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So let me move some hair to the front. So this is how it looks in the front, side, back, and other side. So yeah, the hair is soft, color is nice, length isn't bad as well. So that's definitely some pluses to this wig. Now I did tell you guys at the beginning of the video that I do have a code for you to receive a free gift along with your purchase. So that code is WIGS for you. Everything is lowercase, so lowercase WIGS, the number 4 and the letter U. So make sure you guys use that code at checkout to receive a free gift with your purchase. But that is pretty much it for this video. I do want to thank SHEIN for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the color, the texture, the length, all that stuff. Is this your type of wig? How does it look on me? Y'all know the usual. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.